Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and this is garlic smashed potatoes. Today I want to show you guys how to whip up a really simple, really delicious potato dish that's perfect any time of year, but especially with the holidays coming up. We're going to be incorporating garlic in a couple different ways in this recipe, but it all starts with this garlic confit. So what we want to do is take about 1 head of garlic, peeled, put it into a small saucepan or small skillet and add just enough extra virgin olive oil to cover. So the idea here is to infuse that garlic flavor into our oil, which we can cook the potatoes in, and at the same time we'll be cooking that garlic down until it's soft and tender and it just becomes really sweet. It's not nearly as pungent when it's cooked this way, and then we can mash it right in there with the potatoes at the end. This is going to take just a little bit of time, so be patient. I'm going to bring it up over medium heat, and then as soon as I see it start to simmer around the edges of those garlic cloves, I'm going to turn it down, and you want to cook this gently, so over low heat. So this is about 10 minutes over low heat, and if you look here, you can see that's pierced pretty easily. In fact, if you put this down here on the table, you can see just how soft it is. That's exactly what we're going for. We don't really want any browning on the outside, just a gentle cook. So we'll pull these cloves of garlic out and reserve them for later. Then we're going to come into our large 12-inch skillet here with 2.5 pounds of baby potatoes. Now these are the thin-skinned potatoes, whether it's gold or red, it doesn't really matter. But this is the variety I like for this recipe. I'm going to bring in some of that garlic-infused olive oil now and just give it a drizzle. Just enough to kind of coat these, and then we'll add some seasonings. Now you're gonna have some of that garlic-infused olive oil left over. Keep it around though. It's really great for all kinds of things. Anytime you're roasting veggies, you wanna put some of that on there. Even if you're just cooking some eggs in the morning, tons of flavor. Now for the seasonings, we're gonna start off with some fresh rosemary. You're gonna want about a tablespoon minced up. So strip these leaves off the stems and break them down with the knife. Sprinkle those over our potatoes. And I'm going to come in right behind it with a teaspoon of dried thyme. And finally, I'm going to add a little bit more salt, a little bit more heat with some of the Cattleman's tri-tip seasoning. All right, we'll just get it all coated on there. If you need a little bit more olive oil, you can do that. I think we're pretty good though. That's ready to go on the grill. Today we're cooking on the Yoder Smokers YS640 pellet grill. It's running at 400 degrees and set up for indirect cooking. I'm gonna throw this skillet up here on the second shelf where it can get a little bit of distance from the radiant heat coming off the deflector. Also gonna throw the lid on to help expedite the cooking process. Well, it's been just over an hour since we started cooking our potatoes. I've been keeping an eye on them for the last 20 minutes or so, and I think they're at the perfect doneness and ready for us to take them off the grill to finish. Wow, it smells so good. Those fresh herbs are just popping out of there. And then you can see we insert a toothpick, soft all the way through. That's what we're looking for. We need just a couple more ingredients to finish off our potatoes, and of course we still have to mash those up. Wow, it just smells incredible. These are really tender. It helped that we cooked this on the second shelf in a more indirect area because you can see that those herbs down on the bottom, they didn't get scorched there, which is great. They're not gonna add any bitterness to the dish. So we're gonna add to this 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We're also gonna add back those cloves of garlic that we roasted earlier. Remember, they're much more mild now that they've been cooked down, now that they're really soft. And we'll just mash those right in with everything else. So just give them a good smash, mix everything around. We'll watch that butter start to melt into the potatoes. And of course, being that these are potatoes, they're gonna need some salt. So we'll finish it off with the Noble Salt Works Hickory Smoked Salt. Just let that kind of melt in there. That's crazy how aromatic that smoke is off of that salt immediately. And that's fine because, again, we cooked this with the lid closed. We really didn't take on any smoke while we were cooking it. Creamy, delicious. I love the herbs. Can I just use one of my favorite words? These are so herbaceous. I can't do it. I can't. Creamy, delicious, the salt's on point, the herbs are fantastic. It's all very complimentary. It's not gonna be the star of the show, but it's gonna look great next to whatever protein you're serving. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all of the products featured in today's video. If you enjoyed the recipe, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to thesauce.atbbq.com. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.